episode, we'll be making slaw dogs. Let's get started. So here we have our buns and bratwurst. Now I'm going to put the hot dogs on an induction cooker. We have 1, 2, 3, up. And 4. So now let's make our slaw.
What is that?
Mayo. Alright. Pepper, salt, and sugar.
What are you dumping it in?
Pepper, salt, and sugar.
But you put it on top of what?
Mayo.
No, on top of the cabbage.
Oh. Now we got lemon juice and vinegar. And we got
Capers.
capers. Sorry.
Dump all of them in there. Dump them all in there.
Oh. They're just so sticky.
There
There we go. Now let's check our hot dogs. We're gonna put our bratwurst into the brioche buns. Now let's put them in our buns. Gotta take it easily. Dad, this looks great. Let's cut out the induction cooker. Now we add our slaw. Doesn't this look good? So here's our slaw dogs. I think this is a really good time to end out the video here. It's been so fun to do this with you. And if you like this video, then smash that like button. I'll see you next time. Bye!